No, what really are going on Jamaica? Why is a patty $230 Jamaica? What is the reason for a patty be $230? Some people say inflation, but sure all of the products them where you use to make patty homegrown. So scrap the excuse there. Patty not scarce. So the price not supposed to higher because it limited. And the patty them still look small. So me not understand why patty for be $230. Me supposed to eat the patty there all next week, same way to rotted. I understand that the dollar depreciate to the US dollar, but if a corona time on a body now work, why not tell me so so inconsiderate to raise the price of patty just for catch up back within the revenue? A patty should not be $230. Me not understand how things supposed to get more expensive in a pandemic and a body not get no work. One patty can't even full belly, you have to really buy 2 patty for full belly. Right now them better start sell quarter patty and all them. Yo, give me a half patty now.
A polygon is a close for girl.
For girl, what the fuck like that talk say? Close figure! Jesus Christ! Yeah.
Miss a girl.
Stop and put me. What me tell you say?
Skilly baby, you new tune. Oh yeah, what's this step here? Come install a new ground. Blood God! Yeah, Skilly, never am tell some watch the new ground dog. Bumbuna! I'm tell some watch it. Hot.
You're right one.
Yeah man, hot. My name matter down, my spliff hot so hot. Then I talk about skilly them mad kude. Me do laugh watch you pussy them chat kude. Bella go off and my name mention. Me use them negative energy. I make one time traveling machine gun in a dimension. I be a big long gun skilly fire when man I roll clip well ram up one in the head top.
Hear me I say, you want to record tomorrow, God doctor?
Yes sir.
5. Come in.
Sleeping and
We were sleeping.
yeah, and
We were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, say water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. I will want back everything. Cause from Olivia, a Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet.
Mr. Dino crazy? Hello?
You, sir?
Wait. Lime?
No, sir.
Daily cell?
No.
Water commission?
No, sir.
JPS?
No.
Jehovah's Witness?
No, sir.
Wow!
Sir, I'm from Courts. Mr. Dino Crazy.
Who?
Where can I find Mr. Dino Crazy?
Right place you come, watch out. It's up on the left side, on the right side over there, so?
Yeah.
Over there, so Dino live.
Left.
I swear upon my life over there. Is it me?
Dino! Yo, like TV out bar!
Dino?
Yo! Brother,
Dino?
Yo, watch out, come
Sir?
on, leave the shirts in.
No,
Yo!
sir. Yo, team! Attack! Sir,
So what you know all the time too?
everything.
We fall down, but we get up.
Yo, brother, which part your mother gone?
She just gone to the bathroom.
Alright, repeat after me.
Man, make sure no foolish shit come with again, you know, bro.
Man, relax yourself now, you never make no foolish shit.
Of course!
Man, just repeat after me, dog. Ready?
Ah, go on.
Dagwa market.
Dagwa market.
Man, yeah, you're real good batting, brother. When me say anything with dog, you are going to say post. So I say Dagwa
You
market.
cannot tell me what to say, what to know what to say. You just
Ready?
repeat after you.
Dagwa market.
Puss go a market.
Dagwa school.
Puss go a school.
Dog do him homework.
Puss do homework.
Dog go in him backyard.
Puss go in a backyard.
Dog see hole.
Puss see hole.
But Jesus,
Father God send a message and tell me that I'm not kill him.
When Jamaicans say, "Me soon come," soon may never come. It not gonna come.
Yeah, man. Shit, innocent. That too fake. Yeah.
Alright, brother, what you say? You want a low fade, right? Alright, mad.
Yo, brother, what you say you did have to deal with again?
Now, man, I some maintenance, man. I finally get my AC fixed, you see?
Yeah, that with unknowing, man, with no AC and them thing then.
Joke, yeah, man. So, what you say? You not use AC?
Yes, yo. When you tell open my window to me thing, you know.
Open my window, you can't stay there, brother. I love my AC. Alright, I live in Jamaica. Hey, I believe I have fun. I come here so I get one nice car, my AC and that bum buckler.
You not talk about a natural to me thing, you know. Most of you come up here from Jamaica and you want to get spoiled.
Oh, the bum buckler me spoil. Cause I want cool in my bum buckler car. I come from Jamaica, I never come from hell. Why me feel?
Yes, if you lock off, if you open your window, man.
Me not open my bum buckler window, go open your mother.
Hey boy, we are talking. Better say me killing at this bum buckler.
Better say me kill the first bum buckler. You're a madman.
You a madman.
You a madman.
You a madman.
You a madman.
Suck your mother.
Suck my fear.
Down about palmy. Kiss kitty KY minus plus bend down guava suck up syrup. Hey dirty girl, I'm here one cause your skin chippy and full of virus. If you're a mosquito up and bite back or take back shot. If you see that junk draw breaks tonight. 5 finger, double finger, middle finger irks. Go girl take my like how about those tech nail. Go girl change my like how I change my drawers. Chat to my back. You pop down while me still hot. You used to say green like cedar tree. Go green green like your mama. Green like your mama back.
Tantan B.
Yes, mommy.
Me had everything up on the road. Look on the clock and tell me what time.
130 p.m., mommy.
130 p.m. the man clock. You mean 130?
No, me 130 p.m.
How would you just read clock?
Anti-clockwise.
Jesus.
Got a little nigga a dead man. Came over packing the trunk with the mailman. Scoop at a jug for 10 bands. This trapping ain't outside of them. I'm a football now. These niggas never going. I heard she is loving her. And you still loving her. These niggas not real, but you know. I know you know.
Shorty a little fatty. She my little boo thing.
And Shorty got the fatty.
Bro, I come back again. Yo.
I have to go downstairs and ask my mom something real quick. So can you guys just do me a favor and watch Rufus for a sec?
Yeah, man, mama, go on. Me watch Rufus here. Go on, go talk to your mother, mama, I'm here. Got you, me G, got you.
You're the best.
Don't know, mama, go on. Go talk to your mother, man. Watch him for you. Pussy, me a go curry your bumbo clot here. Me a chop you up with some skeleton. Hey boy, stop your blood clot nice. Me a curry you. Some white rice with some extra gravy. Me a curry your bumbo clot. Pussy, look for me a talk.
Look at his ass with the broom. Excuse me, sir. Where's the shovel?
Shovel? What's a shovel?
It clears up the snow for you easier.
Oh, my bumbo clot broom.
Okay.
Work, man.
You dumbass think you in Jamaica still.
You wash it. You want to eat out of pot? You washing it. And you want to eat out of pot? Come. Wash it.
Yo, what the fuck you doing to this boy?
If you want to eat out of pot, you wash your waist. All you do is snake, boy.
Yo, you know, hear the man say don't eat the apple. The snake so I can't eat it. How you feel? No, look how my pum fat, Adam. Adam, look how my pum fat. Look how my body. Adam, look how my body. Look how my body fat. Look how my body fat, Adam. What are you talking about? Eat the apple. Yo, look how this shit big. I'm gonna try to tell you. Look how me try to tell you. Anaconda. I'm gonna call it anaconda. Yo, your body fat. Yo, your body look good. Yo, Eve, turn on. Palm my body. Good. Yo, bend over. You have 2 all. Maybe an anaconda for going there. Yeah, but which one? But me if you know that, Adam, just put it in 2 of them. I put it on top one first.
You know not what you have done.
She